Hello guys, today we are going to a simple diagram, how to draw a simple diagram in AutoCAD. So let us start it. For this, as you are showing we are seeing one figure like it's simply an X shape. So it is a simple diagram, not any diagram. So how to draw this diagram? So the length of this diagram is, this figure is 13 and height is 6 and depth of this portion is 3. So how to draw this? For this we are using a line command. So click on here, type line or simply L. So here we are having line, select starting point. So from here onwards we can start. So I will take an as 25 comma 5. This is my starting point for the line. So at 13 mm at 0 degrees. So I am drawing a line. So for this 13 tab 0 or 13 greater than symbol 0. So this, whenever press and enter, it will draw a line like this. So next, so you are observing this. Next, and another cross line, that is which is having height of total 6. So 6, it is on a middle portion, so 6 by 2 is 3, and in depth, so it is also a 3 from here to here. So here to 3, here to 3. So here it is 0, here 3, here 3. So how to draw this? That is at the rate of on x-axis 3, on x-axis -3, because it will moving on back side. So on y-axis it is 3. So click on enter. So it will draw like this, and similarly as and above side also at the rate of 3 and comma 3. So then we get, so like this, and a straight line at 180 degrees with the length of 13, that is 13 comma, it is, or 13 tab 180 degrees. So sorry, it will taking length. So the length is 13 and the angle is, so here for the angle we are taking without angle is, that is so here we are moving that from until here it is 0 on 0 degrees. So 13 tab 0 degrees, 13 comma at 0 degrees, not comma 0. So it will take 2 times as 13. So get it back, and here at the rate of 3 comma 3. So and then 13 tab 180 degrees. So here we can like this, and next at the rate of 3 comma 3. so it will taking an upward side, so we are taking this so from in this side we want, so the for that minus at the rate of -3 -3 on x-axis, that is on, sorry, minus, not -3, that is from this side, so it is 3 on minus on y-axis, that is -3, so then we get, so it will taking on reverse direction, so at the rate of 3 comma -3, so it will draw from this to this. So after that it is an final line, so just simply click on C, only single C, and then enter, so it will close the all the lines. So now the dimensions, for the dimensions purpose, here we having dimensions for the length, that is from here to here, so it will dimensions are very small size, so go to annotations, dimensions, then we get modify, go to here the size of text, size of text is like 4, and okay, with the color is black, okay, set, okay, set current and close, then again take dimensions from this point to from this point, so I think the dimensions are very large, so we want to reduce the some size, it is better, go to modify, here we can take it as 1, it is enough for this, so save current, close, take again dimensions from here to here, that is 6, so it is very large in size, so then we can delete this, again we can take the dimensions, so just click on select and delete dimensions from this point to this point, that is 13, and there is one more dimensions for the inclination, that is aligned dimensions, that is from here to here, it is 4.26, sorry 2426, and then one more dimension for the linear, that is from this height to this height, it is 3. So as for the given requirements, the diagram has been drawn successfully.